am I dreaming? Oh, I'm living in my dream.
Parent birds have a unique way of caring for their chicks. They eat their waste to keep the nest clean and prevent the spread of disease. This behavior may seem unusual, but it's crucial for the health and survival of their young. By consuming the waste, parent birds reduce the risk of attracting predators to the nest. They also create a clean environment that promotes healthy growth and development. This selfless act is a testament to parent birds' dedication to their chicks. Their care and devotion give their young the best chance to thrive and eventually fly on their own.